All right, we now come to the 800 meters for boys under 20 years finals. In lane 1 from Assam, bib number 48, Disha Jyoti Bania. Also from Assam, lane 2, bib number 49, Tapujal Fukan. From Meghalaya, in lane 3, bib number 138, Skemlan Suba. And also from Meghalaya, in lane 4, bib number 133, Nathaniel Lindo Nonglak. In lane 5 from Nagaland, bib number 176, Muthiu A. In lane 6 from Arunachal Pradesh, bib number 18, Tuyu Hinda. In lane 7 from Tripura, bib number 222, Kishan Dev Barma. And in lane 8 from Manipur, bib number 90, S. Arnold Maitre. Just to remind everyone, this is the 800 meters and there are 2 laps.
Hey, Nicola!